nagda-drive. Ayan, naka-L. May L yung kanyang car kasi. Is Kobe 16, right?
Yeah.
Ayun si Jan. Ayun si Jan. Inaasar niya yung parang inaano niya yun. Dinidikitan niya. Anyway, ilang araw ko walang vlogs kasi sobrang busy namin. And then, I think, i-insert ko muna tong Renmark namin. Magiging updated tayo ngayon. So, yung last nyo atang napanood na vlog, yung nag-picnic kami nila Race nung pumunta sila Race dito. Kasi ilang araw ko walang vlog, guys. Tapos, eto siguro yung ini-next ko. So, skip ko muna yung mga very, very late kong vlogs. I-insert ko muna to. I-insert ko muna to para maging updated naman tayo ngayong birthday ko. Mag-birthday na tayo, guys. So Wednesday ang birthday ko. So ngayon is February 26. Hala, nagpa-flash na yung battery ko, Han. Look. Naka-charge to, guys. Ngayon flashing na siya. May diferensya na yung yung ating mga batteries. Hala, so yun. I-insert ko muna to. Kami yung mauna sa Renmark. Then si Race tsaka si Lyra ha? Si Race tsaka si Lyra nagpabook sila kasi hindi sila nagpabook nung last year. Tapos si Kat hindi ata nakapagpabook din. So, naloba tayo, guys. So yung sinasabi ko, sila Kat hindi sila nakapagpabook. So sa amin sila magstay for 2 days. So bukas yung dating nila. Tapos Thursday yung uwi lahat ng mga friends natin. Kasi nga, nagkataon na weekdays yung ating birthday, Wednesday. So, yun. So, kami mauna ngayon. Hindi tayo sabay-sabay. Kasi alam niyo naman si Jan kasi, diba? Lagi niyang pinapabook talaga yung kahit alam niya hindi nagpabook yung mga friends natin, hindi niya talaga binitawan yung cabin. So, yeah. So, 1 week tayo dun, guys. Uwi kami Friday. We're going back Friday, right? Check out Friday. So, mauna tayo. Are you alright, Holly? And it's gonna be really hot.
So, are you gonna go swimming?
I think so, this time. Kasi sobrang init. May dala tayo dyan na pampaan. May swimsuit, ha? I don't know. I'm just gonna float. I'm just gonna float. Okay. Tipirin natin yung aking SD card, guys. So, basta eto yung mapapanood nyo after nung picnic namin. Nakasama sila Race. Yung next nung vlog na yon sa after na lang ng Renmark. Okay? Para naman maging updated tayo this time. Okay? Okay, Holly? Okay. 12 o'clock na, guys. Dito kayo sa Narakot. Mag-wash lang si Jan ng car kasi madumi siya. And uhaw siya. Baka mag-lunch kami somewhere here sa Narakot, guys. Where? No, hindi pa alam. Hungry Jack. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Yes, I'm coming. Come on. Dito kayo sa OTR, ha? Okay, kuya, get daddy's order, please. Mag-Hungry Jacks. Hungry Jacks, ayan yung bagong hugas na car. Si Sak, ayaw niya ng Hungry Jack. And ayaw niya rin ng Subway. So, you don't want any?
No.
You know? Ayan. Chicken? Is that chicken, Sak? Crispy chicken, okay. So, tig-isa sila. Okay, let's go. Kumain sila ng cookies from Subway. Go here. Alright. Are you gonna eat now, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Kuya, chips. You wanna hold your chips? Okay. Huh? Lots of lettuce. Kuya?
Have a chip, Mom.
Thank you, Kuya.
I got Kuya bottom line.
Chips. You gonna hold it. Kuya, put this one in In your box. Thank you. Okay. You want chips, Han? It's nice. Sarap ng chips kasi crunchy. Minsan kasi sag. Kumuha ko ng madaming tissue. Kasi si Jan wala ng tissue dito sa kanyang ano. Saan nilalagay yung parang bullet? What do you call this, Han? Box? What do you call this one?
Glove.
Drop box?
Glove.
Ah, glove box.
Who's that?
Oh, people know me.
May kumaway ng mga estudyante kay Jan.
Why'd you go like this time?
Because the kids are waving. Okay, kain muna kaming gas. Tapos na silang kumain. Si
I'll
Jan.
finish it all, Mom.
Oh, this is mine. You had yours. Hindi ba tapos kumain si Kuya?
Well, I already had
Kumakain siya na. Who's that? Sushi.
mine.
Okay, Holly. Si Kuya, hindi ako kumakain. Di ba ngayon? Parang nagugustuhan niya na. You like it now, yeah? This one.
Just play like
But you like that one?
You can't get
Minsan. Ngayon kumain first time. Kasi usually kinukuha niya lang dyan rice and yung chicken. Pero ngayon kinakain niya pati yung nori. Okay, hindi ko pa nakakain yung aking burger, guys. Kasi nagchichips lang tayo. Laki.
Oh no, it's Pinari. Past Pinari.
Past Pinori?
Past Pinari.
Okay, dito kami
What's
sa
that?
out of nowhere, guys.
What is
Stretching.
that? I saw that.
Yung init na. Is this orange? Orange trees. Ayan. I think so.
Have you been past the big orange?
No. Nadaanan natin, guys, hindi ko na-vlog yung almond factory. Ayan.
The
Oh.
almond factory's all the way back there.
Yeah, I know the almond factory, but this is, I think, almonds. 9 minutes na lang nasa Renmark. Big 4 na tayo. Is it Renmark now, Han? It's not yet. Is this not Renmark now? Ah, nasa loob na tayo ng Renmark. Tingnan niyo. Oh, kita niyo yan. Kapit na tayo, guys. Ay, may kita na ako na river.
Like a cruise down there, go have a look at the house.
Malapit na tayo sa bridge. Si Kuya marami
But I
siyang
have to be the
katanungan sa
donut
daddy
when you
niya.
do it.
Walang natulog. No one sleep.
Yes, sir.
Ah, did you?
No? Yes, a little one. A little
Oh,
one.
so you still did it.
And then could take your habit.
No, I had a little bit. Ako meron din. Konti lang. No. Did we stay somewhere here, Han? Oh.
Why stay here when
Look at the art.
Fiddle across this bridge, Bubba.
Baba the bridge.
just so skinny.
I know. Ito yung pinaka-sexing bridge.
There's ski boat skiers.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Go under the bridge, come out.
Yeah. Kita
Remember
natin.
when we came here, Dad?
You see it?
Yeah.
Where are they? Okay. Ayun.
They're from Renmark.
Is that what we're getting now?
Something like that, yeah, well.
I want the one border. What?
There it is.
What?
The bucket.
Where? Full bucket. Yeah!
That's broken.
Binibiro niyang broken yung ano.
Feels like it's what? Don't worry, Joe. When you get outside, it's going to be warm. Oh, look at all the people in there. Oh, God.
I'm taking off the
We're back.
baby.
We are back here.
This is girls. 4 knots moving 50 meters. I'm forcing. Thanks for driving, Dad.
That's right.
Okay,
There's people
kunin niya lang yung
it's like
key.
staying in the same one.
Tsaka yung code dyan para
I think so,
makapasok
yeah.
tayo.
There's people in it.
Yeah.
May pagkasibo sila dun, guys. Oh. Tapos may speedboat. Pero yung cabin nila siguro yung first. Tapos nag-set up lang sila dyan ng gazebo. And may malaking chessboard dun, oh. Before, remember Kuya, we used to get this cabin.
Yeah.
That one, the first one or the second one? Basta, Malapit lang kami dito sa barbecuehan na yan. Nung kami pa lang, yung maliliit pa sila kuya. Tapos, dyan malapit sa pool, dyan kami. Ayan na yung aking mag-aama. Okay, let's go. Yes, we are. Open.
Are we inside, Mom?
Yeah.
Yes.
What number was it? Remember what number it was?
Hello,
61.
we're back again. Ayan, ang daming tao. Is it holiday, Han?
Oh, people here.
Ang daming tao. Ingit sila.
And we're going swimming in a pool.
May mga bagong cabins.
Mom, there's a fitness center.
Yeah, thank you, Sak. Parang may pinaparinggang ka sa akin dyan, Sak. Parang may gusto kang sabihin dyan. Ang daming tao ngayon. Hindi naman holiday. We are here. We are back. Is this the same? Yeah.
Nah, we're in 62.
Oh, so what happened?
Oh, it doesn't matter, they're the same units.
Okay. So 61 daw to 62 tayo before. Okay, we're here. Is the aircon on? So hindi na dito sila kuya.
And this is?
So doon sa kabila, last year, magkadikit ha? Okay. Yeah, this is our bed. They just connect this one, huh?
No.
Last year?
Do we have 2 double beds?
Yes,
Yeah.
I did.
No, because this is not our room.
Let's connect them to you. No, we're not sleeping in here, see? I'm sleeping outside. How come that TV's facing him? Good. I like the bunk. Bunk's good.
Ito yung, hindi ito yung room namin last year.
Oh, well, that's
It's-
what it is.
Yeah, it's alright. Ito yung bunk beds.
Yeah, Mom, watch this is mine. This one's mine.
Unload, people. Unload. Come on, let's go. Mag-unload muna kami. Go, baby. Go. Okay na yan. This is need to be put in the fridge. Ilagay ko muna to sa fridge. Dala ko yung karaoke na regalo ko sa kanila. Never pa namin nagagamit. So, yan dala ko. Baka magamit natin dito sa trip na to. Set up ko kayo dito. Madilim ba? Madilim against the light. Go, Baba. Oh, walay. So,
Where is the floor?
may pagatas. Put the lights. Ayan. Yung aking berry glow. Meron din tong, meron akong freshie din na dala. Yung aking pink pitaya na nilalagay ko sa aking chia pudding. What you gonna do? Wait, careful my camera. What are you going to do?
Mom, some butter and leather.
Oh, we got butter.
And your chili sauce and some water.
Tangy sauce.
What are you going to do?
What's that? Kumain tayong fudgy bar from Paris pa to galing.
That's right away.
And meron din tayong dala.
And that one.
And this one.
Dami naming dala guys na meat. What are you trying to do, Saki?
Well, I can't do it now.
What? It's frozen. It's icy. So meron kami dito. Ano ba to? Sausages. Lagay ko. Meron kaming
Mom,
parang tabi kayo.
freezer
Freezer. Okay,
and
ma'am.
fridge.
Fridge. Okay.
No, it's all out of
So, meron tayong sausages. Mix kasi ito, guys. Sausages, steak, burgers, T-bone, sausages, and yeah. Ito yung napanalunan yata to ni Kuya. Napanalunan to ni Kuya, guys, about. Si Kuya talaga ang may panalong karne. Parang puno agad yung freezer. Wala pa. Eto, may dala akong freshies na melon. Nagdala ako nito guys, yung maliit na pan. Nagdala akong maliit na pan kasi yung pan dito is yung stainless. So, para kung nagluto akong eggs, madali lang. Then, syempre, ito. And si Sak nagdalang ayan, noodles. Then, may dala ko para sa aking chia pudding. And vegeta for seasoning. Ha? Ay, hindi ko hindi ko nakain yung burger ko, guys. Yung binili namin sa Hungry Jack's, hindi ko nakain. May dala tayong tuna in brine, tapos mais, pork. Put it in the toilet, bathroom. Ito yung chia ko, guys. Excited na sila mag-swimming. Nutella.
Wait, we're going now?
Real salt.
Noodles.
Can you please put this one there in the fridge, please?
Oh, just the one with the
And si Sak, dinala niya. Wait lang, Baba. Dinala ni Sak yung fridge. What you call this? Oats. And, syempre, yung aking protein bar. Hindi ako mag-crave ng mga chocolates kasi lately, nag-chocolate na naman ako. Lagi. And, suka. Nagdala akong ano to? Ziploc. Ayan, Vegemite. Chicken powder. Kasi, we'll see kung makakapagluto tayo. For sure, magluluto tayo. So, and dala ko rin yung ating eggs. Kasi para magamit namin. Ito ay eggs galing kila Tommy. So, kila Tommy, si Jam bumibili ng eggs pag meron. And ako pag nag-grocery, ako bumibili pa rin ako sa grocery. Hindi sa grocery, sa Asian store, yes. Can you please put this in the fridge, please?
These from Tommy.
And I have eggplant.
You don't chop these boxes in the bin. You return them back to Tommy.
Alright. Yes. Ayan, may dala
In the fridge, Mom?
Yes, please. So, okay. Can you please put this? Hi, we don't have the, sira yung fridge. Hindi sira yung fridge. Yung, wala sila yung basag ata. And may dala akong kamo. What happened here? May kamatis tayo. Dinala ko yung mga veggies sa bahay. Lime. Hilaw na kamote. May niluto rin kasi akong kamote, guys. Mayroon tayong nilutong kamote. Nasaan na yung sana nadala ko? Hala, parang hindi. Hala. Siyempre, kamate. Mayroong kamatis, sibuyas, bawang, kalamansi. And etong onions, galing to kay Logan. Meron ding white onions. Tanim nila Logan, di ba? Yung mga kaibigan ni Jan, may mga sila. May mga homegrown na mga onions, tapos kung ano fruits. Eto, meron tayong avocado, galing toast. And dinala ko yung mangga. Mangga galing sa bahay. And sili, syempre. Tipirin natin to guys kasi 27 na lang ang 27 minutes na lang siya. So ngayon, naka 5 minutes na tayo. And egg, salted egg. Nagdala tayong salted eggs. And more chili. Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga dala ko. Ito, nung nag-grocery ako, kung hindi pa kayo guys naka-follow sa Facebook page ko, gumagawa na ako ng reels. Pag hindi ako nag-vlog, nag-reels na lang ako. Tulad nung nag-spring roll ako, hindi ako nag-vlog nung nag-grocery ako. Han, can you please put this in the fridge? Thank you. And, ayan, chicken. Meron tayo ditong ice pack. Ayan. So, ito yung tira. Pang ano ko to. Para sa aking salad. Put this one, please. Han, we don't have the, what you call that? The cooler for the veggies. It's broken, I think. They remove it. Can you please? And ito yung aking ginawang chia pudding. Ayan. Please put this one, please. Complimentary yan. Okay. Put in the fridge first. Dala ko yung kamote! Ayan, yung niluto kong kamote. Meron tayong strawberries. And kagabi, hinugasan ko na yung ating lettuce. Yung baby lettuce nila. And meron din ako, galing din to kila Tommy na homegrown na cucumber. So, binalatan ko na siya kasi medyo spiky kasi yung... Usually, hindi ko binabalatan yung cucumber. Pero, yung binigay kasi, yung tanim nila Tommy ngayon kasi spiky pero juicy. Ang sarap ng cucumber nila. So, binibigyan niya kami. So, ang ginagawa ko ay, ayan. Pinipil ko tapos chinachop kong ganito. Tapos, binabaon din to ng mga bata. So, yan yung laman guys ng mga dala-dala ko. Tapos, mag-grocery tayo mamaya. So, i-put away ko lang to and ayan. Malapit na tong mapuno. Did he? Tapos na ako mag-put away, guys. So, ito na yung itsura ng ating fridge. Ayan. Ayan, yung dito ba? Wala. Yung case niya dyan. Ayan yung fridge natin. And yung freezer. Ayan. Parang hindi siya nasasara. Ayan, yung freezer natin. And ito yung dala kong ice pack. And ready sa mag-swimming. Kunin ko yung swimsuit ni Holly. And dito ko nilagay yung ating, ayan, yung tuna, yung hazelnut. Bakit itong kinuha ni Zach? Where? And, ayan yung ating gamit para sa pagluluto. And yung pan natin malit. And yan, sabi ko, dito lang muna to. Kasi mamaya kakainin ko to. And, nandito yung ibang snacks. So, yan. Si Holly. They're going? Oh, wear your helmet, guys. Yeah, helmet. No, it doesn't matter. You have to have, no matter what. That's right. Or you.
I need my hat then.
Saan yung luggage? Andito yung luggage natin. Kailangan natin tanggalin sa maleta yung ating mga gamit kasi wala tayong paglalagyan nito. Ang laki ng maleta natin. And ito yung aming ensuite. Ayan. Yung toilet and shower.
Just don't look in the toilet.
Why? Is it? Why?
It has just had tissue in it.
Oh, kala ko naman may ano. Did someone use it?
No, it just has tissues in it.
Alright. Dito tayo sa isang kwarto para makasya yung luggage natin. So,
Mom, where's the hat to protect my neck and back?
And face. Okay. Punin natin yung swimsuit niya. Ito sa amin ni Holly to. Can you unzip that one there, Baba, please? Naka-ano na siya, nakabihis na siya ng pandigo. Bigyan ko na siya ng sunscreen. Yung gamit ko is yung aloe vera.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, aloe vera. Maganda yung amoy. Maganda.
And I'm gonna wear the pink hat that protects my back and neck and my face.
Where's the pony?
You just had it, I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. Maybe it's here.
See, I told you I gave it to you.
Then after nito, mag-swimming,
So
we're gonna go where?
shopping.
Shopping. Mag-grocery tayo.
But we're not just gonna get too much, we're gonna have what we need.
That's right.
I can't wait to go swimming. And it's very warm outside. So we're going
Very
to
warm.
swim. 4 to 6 years.
Yeah, okay.
Protect.
Maganda tong ano niya, bucket hat kasi mapoprotektahan talaga yung likod niya. Okay. Ito nilabas ko kasi matigas siya. Matigas to kasi nasa angle to ni Genevieve. Okay, we're going now, guys. Nagre-reapply ako ng lotion kasi mayroon to, guys, na SPF 50. So, hindi ko dinala yung aking refill. Ito yung Lux Skin. Ayan. Okay, halis na tayo. Si Holly, nagmamadali na.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.